What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So this video is actually going to be a little bit different, and what I want to do in this video is that a lot of people promote affiliate offers, whether you're using Bing, Google, Facebook, any traffic. I'm going to show you a couple offers that if you're a beginner and you're wanting to run a couple CPOs, those are cost per leads. So that means you get paid when someone puts in their email address, their name, their number. You get paid for that. So there's a couple affiliate offers that I want you guys as a beginner, if you get into Max Bounty or you get into PeerFly or any of the networks I always talk about, stay away from these offers, and I'm going to explain a little bit why I would stay away from those offers, and then I'm going to show a couple offers that if you're a beginner, you should probably look into actually promoting, and I would run them on Bing, I would run them on Facebook. So I'll show you guys a couple offers, and I'm going to dive right into my computer screen.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day, I work hard every day.
So now I'm going to share with you guys some offers I would not promote, and I'm going to share a couple examples of what not to promote, and I'm going to explain my logic on why I actually wouldn't promote it and my past experiences. And then I'm going to share a couple offers that I recommend promoting, whether you're a beginner, advanced, intermediate. If you haven't watched my Facebook ad case study or my Bing ad case study, make sure to go watch that and then watch this video again. So first off, I know if you guys are in Max Bounty or PeerFly or the other networks I recommend, this right here, this I could use a job. Why wouldn't I promote this? So I've actually tested this offer on Bing ads, direct linking, no success. And I know people were signing up because what I did is I actually split test. I did a direct link campaign with this, and I actually did a campaign when I collected the email, and then I sent them a few emails back to this page. No success when I did that. And what happened was that I made a couple conversions, and this offer, I feel like this is junk. And the reason I say that is because, let's just say this offer pays about $2 per person. Every person who puts in this info here, they go to the next page of the actual offer, and then they have to go through a couple of loops until you actually get paid for the pixel, the conversion pixel to actually fire. So what I believe is happening with this offer and the next offer I'm going to show you, let's just say you have one affiliate who's sending high quality traffic. Every 10 out of 10 people he brings, they sign up. You have one affiliate, every 2 out of every 10 people they bring in, 2 of the people actually sign up. What I feel networks do is that if a person's sending good traffic and a person's sending bad traffic, they're going to find that common ground and split the difference. So if I'm the guy sending 10 out of 10 leads and then the next guy sending 2 out of 10 leads, whenever I keep sending 10 out of 10 leads, it'll start becoming 7 out of 10 leads making me money, 6 out of 10 people making me money. So I feel like these offers are very competitive, and running these CPL offers, I would actually stay away from. The next offer I want to talk about is actually running survey offers. So a lot of people are recommended whenever you're new to Bing or you're new to advertising to start off running survey offers, and nothing's wrong with that. Now, what I do recommend is if you're going to promote a survey offer, test it in PeerFly and test it in Max Bounty, test it in all the networks and see which one's actually making you conversions. Just like that last offer I showed, I feel like these offers here, yes, you can make some money, but I feel like the profits are going to be small. So if you are promoting these offers, these survey offers, switch out and test a $30 payout survey offer, a $25 payout survey offer. You may find that a lot of these people putting in their emails in here will actually convert on a $30 survey offer. So switch your $2 survey payout offer to a $30 payout offer. Once you start to get some converting keywords, just swap it and you'll start to see. I love to run higher payout offers, any offers that pay anywhere from $30 to $200. That's like the target range for me. So with that being said, if you're a beginner and you're promoting a cost per lead offer and this offer you've ran across, swap it, test another one. So you may ask now, Anthony, what offer should I promote if I'm new to Bing? I followed your case study. So I'm going to go over a couple offers now on what you should actually promote. So this Nomad backpack. This is something I would promote. The landing page is very simple, straight to the point, and it's got a VSL. Why I feel VSLs actually convert well, it gives the user more information on the actual product itself. So this is something I would actually test in. Let's just hit play. Watch this sales video, and if you feel like it's converting, test it. Now, an offer like this would most likely pay you anywhere from $20 to $40. So check out the funnel. Let's just see. So it goes next to the page. I see the top seller. I like this. This sales page is actually pretty good. To be honest, this sales page actually looks like it was made with ClickFunnels. Very ClickFunnels-like landing page right here. So lastly, this just feels like it's straight to the point, Nomad Backpack. And versus this survey offer right here, the survey offer here, it just feels a lot more scammier compared to running the Nomad Backpack overall. And this also find a job that's right. This just feels scammy overall. So another offer, you guys may not be expecting this, but the Blue Apron offer. Some networks have it, some don't. And what you can do is you can actually go to offervault.com and you can actually see where these offers are at and what networks actually have them. So right here, this offer, this converts on a valid credit card submit, so you would get paid $16 for this. Everybody loves exercising. Some people are more strict with diets, so this to me is a more friendly offer to actually promote. This would actually work perfect for Facebook also, so make sure to watch that case study. One more offer I want to touch base on. I touch base on an offer that will pay you $16, one that'll pay you roughly $30. You may say, Anthony, my budget's $500 and I want to promote a cost per lead. They say, Anthony, I just want to get paid when someone puts in their email. So this offer could potentially work well for you. And the reason I say that is that everyone's going to be looking for properties. People are going to be running. People are looking for homes. And this offer, rent to own, this would be good to work on Bing because one, you can run this in the United States. You can get targeted. You can start targeting via state. So as an example, if you were going to run this on Bing, you can actually do a split test. You can target in the United States, you can target California, and you can say in your ad copy, local homes in California, rent to own, and make your ad very catchy. But anyways, this offer can pay you about $2.50. Some pay $4, some pay $3. Split test them like I always say, but this is more of a friendly offer to promote. I would 100% promote this rent-to-own listing over this find a job that's right, 100%. So anyways, I just wanted to share some experiences on some offers that I would promote that are more friendly for Bing, and I feel that would convert also better for Bing. So split test some of these offers, the Blue Apron, Nomad Backpack. This is an e-commerce product. This is a family product, someone wanting to rent to own. Now Blue Apron, everyone wants to exercise, everyone's looking for healthy meals. So I hope this helps anybody who's unsure what offer they should promote. My thoughts on a few of these more scammier offers and more legitimate offers like this one. So lastly, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. I appreciate all my subscribers, YouTube family, Facebook, wherever you guys are tuning in from and watching. It's pretty neat to know people from all over the world can tune in and watch my channel and watch the growth and just, you know, share your experiences with me, and I'm going to be sharing my journey with everybody. But make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates, link in right below this video. But have a great day.
Trap nigga with the chickens like pop.